We begin this hour with stocks hitting another all-time high as investors eye a Fed rate cut. Paul Quinsee of JPMorgan writing, markets have recovered to new record highs. If policy risks come back into focus, equity valuations are now elevated and markets will struggle. Paul joins us now for more. Paul, good morning.
Good morning.
It's good to see you. Let's just go through where things are at right now. Earnings good, jobs data not good. Is one much more important than the other?
Yes. It's always about the earnings, and that's how we got here, right? I remember being back on Bloomberg in the middle of April. We were about 1,200 S&P points below where we are now. The market was moving 5% a day. It felt like a crazy time. In the end, yet again, the optimists have triumphed, right? And the reason the optimists have triumphed is earnings. So we just had, of course, second quarter earnings. We're done with that now. They were terrific. Of course, AI was the shining star, but really across the market, there were plenty of companies who are beating expectations, and it's really that's been underwriting this, this incredible recovery that we've seen.
To your point, Paul, earnings have stepped up, but payrolls growth has stepped down. Are there limits to how far that story could diverge?
Well, look, the big driver of earnings, we have to be realistic, is the AI investment boom, right? That is what's got everyone's attention. And whilst the earnings are good overall, that has been the kind of central piece. That's been the biggest driving force in the second quarter earnings and this year. So the famous Magnificent Seven are going to do mid-20s earnings growth. Everything else, we're still waiting a little bit for that broadening out of profits to come. We think it will come. We think it comes into next year. We think next year, by the way, is better for earnings overall than this year, as we see it right now. And we think the gap between the 493 and the 7 probably narrows as we get into next year. But without question, the best part of it is coming from those mega cap tech stocks.